Celebrating the beauty of you. My name is Deirdre McLean, and I am a fabulous Mary Kay consultant. I am reflecting upon my journey with Mary Kay. I have been a consultant for probably 30 years, not consecutively, and I have a history with Mary Kay. I should say her story with Mary Kay. I have been using the skincare products for 40 years. I began when I was in college, and I'm reflecting upon how Jesus has blessed me through Mary Kay in restoring my image. He has transformed ashes into beauty. I've been through a lot of trauma, and Mary Kay has been a fabulous journey of restoring my sense of self-worth, appreciating my beauty. Ladies, I invite you, journey with me in becoming a Mary Kay consultant, celebrating you.